In the south of Salzburg, Austria, the early Baroque-style palace Faux Hellbrunn Castle is a major tourist stop. The visitors usually concentrate on the palace itself, its famous trick fountains and the beautiful garden surrounding it. The white pavilion that featured in The Sound of Music is another key attraction of Hellbrunn, but can be found right at the entrance of the garden. Keep on walking, there will be a surprise waiting for you. Originally used as a quarry, this theater was almost entirely carved into the conglomerate rock of the Hellbrunn Hill. The theater was created in a former quarry. The material was used for Hellbrunn Palace. Theater was first performed more than 400 years ago. To this day, the Stone Theater continues to host events such as concerts or theater performances. Through narrow tunnels and corridors in the rock, the stage can be reached from all sides. The location of the Stone Theater is also particularly beautiful as it is located in the forest, surrounded by nature, and thus exudes a very special magic.